More ways to make money as a student in college while you're continuing your studies. Now, yesterday we spoke about a few ways that you could make money while in college, and today in this video we will continue to look at more easy and convenient ways that college students can make money without it interrupting their studies. Now, just before we get into this list, a very quick reminder: if you're new here or this is the first time that you're seeing me, my name is Ian, and here on this channel I talk a lot about ways to make money, save money, invest money, and anything that has to do with personal finance. So with that said, if you're interested in these topics, give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And that's how videos get recommended to more people here on YouTube. And also, when you give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, and that's how you'll see new content from me, and I post videos here on YouTube every single day. So once again, if you're a college student, you'll need all the extra cash you can get while you're in college to supplement your expenses. Now, the main problem though is that you don't have set times every day when you can go to a traditional job, and you don't want anything that is too complicated as it will conflict with your studies. Now, what you need ideally is an easy job that you can do at any time from anywhere, which still pays you money. Now, in the first part to this video, we covered a few options that would work really well. Now, we have a couple more options that can and will make you some money while you're still in college. So here we go. One great way to make some money easily is by doing some proofreading. Here you can put your already good command of the English language to use. Now, if you can easily spot grammar mistakes, typing errors, and so on, then being a proofreader will be an easy way to make some extra money while you're still in college. Now, people will pay you to proofread transcripts, magazines, resumes, and much more. Now, before you rule this one out, just know that the average proofreading freelancer makes about $25 an hour. Now, with $25 an hour, you really only have to work for 10 hours each week to make an additional $1,000 each month. That's less than 2 hours per day, and this is a really good opportunity in my opinion, because the average hourly wage is in between $20 to $25 right now, so you'd be getting the same amount of money if you were to choose to work a full-time job. So moving on, if you have graphic designing skills, then that is yet another great way to make some extra cash while you're still in college. Now, businesses are always looking for help in getting brochures, booklets, logos, and even online advertisements created. This one actually pays really well too per job. All the ads you now see on the internet had to be designed by someone first. Think about that. You have endless work here. You'll never have to go punch in on a time clock or visit an office. You can do this whenever you're free. You'll only need a laptop, which you probably already have, and then some professional tools like Adobe Photoshop. Fiverr is a good place to get these jobs, and you get paid per project, and also you get to set your rate depending on what the client wants. So in a way, you get to determine just how much money you can make here. Another great way to make money as a college student is by selling photos. If you like taking photographs, then you could get paid for stock photos. So if you Google search and you try to find images, you may find sometimes, or you may sometimes come across websites that have the images you want, but they charge a fee for you to get them. This is the same thing. These photos can be of anything really. Now, whenever someone buys one of your stock photos, you get paid. The easiest way to go about this is to sell them on Shutterstock. They sell the photos for you and give you a commission each time one is sold. Now, after taking the photos, the income would be passive, as you would not be required to do anything else. You may even actually already have photos that you've taken of nature or architecture or something else that you could sell on one of these websites. So check the camera or check your phone or whatever you use to take photos. Now, another great way to make some extra income is if you have a voice for radio, then you could also do some voiceover work and get paid for doing that. Check out Fiverr, as it usually has these voiceover jobs that you can complete from anywhere. If you're not sure if you have a voice for radio, then you can easily voice over a page from a book and then ask your friends if they think you have the voice for it. If you do this, then this could be easy money for you. Now remember, if you have tried any of these before, drop me a comment down below and let me know how it's worked out for you and if you were actually able to make any money from doing it. Now, another way to make money as a college student is by becoming an online virtual assistant. Now, in this job, you'll mostly answer phone calls, reply to emails, and then prepare and edit documents for your clients. Usually you're paid a flat hourly rate and the hours are predetermined so you know when you will work and how much you will earn before. Now, this job doesn't always require you to have experience, so anyone can try it out. If you have any experience with customer service though, then this could be another easy way to cash in on your skills. Online virtual assistants on average make around $12 to $16 per hour working part-time. That's still a good enough hourly rate considering that most part-time jobs that college students do pay only around $12 an hour and sometimes even less depending on where you're living. Now, the next way that you can make some money as a college student is by doing data entry. This one is really easy, although most of the jobs on this list are already pretty easy. There is one problem with data entry jobs though. Because no experience is required and anyone anywhere can do it, you'll find that so many people from all over the world are already competing for data entry jobs, and that makes the pay really, really low. Now, if you have nothing to do, then you could do some data entry, but don't expect to earn much from this over the long term. Another way that you can make some money while you're in college is to post vlogs on YouTube. By simply recording some vlogs and uploading them to YouTube, you could attract an audience and then eventually get paid by sponsors for advertising their products on your vlog. Now, I'm sure you see other people vlogging about their life and you see them promoting products and they get paid to do it. You may consider your life boring, but actually many people can and may be able to relate to your experiences, which means they will watch your videos. So if you become good at this and good at making videos, then from advertisements, you could potentially earn up to $10 per 1,000 views. So 100,000 views would get you around $1,000. This is in addition to sponsorships on your videos. Now, the more your audience grows here, the more you're able to make. The same goes for other social media platforms where you can post about your life. And once you have a large enough following, then you'll be able to get sponsored or be able to promote products which will earn you money. The next way that you could make money as a college student is by transcribing. In this job, you listen to an audio recording for someone and then transcribe whatever was said, usually so they can use it in a blog post. This will work best for those who are fast typers and don't mind sitting around their computer for up to an hour or even more. So there you have it, guys. More ways that college students can make money easily and quickly to help with their expenses during their time in college. If there are any other ways that you know of or think about that college students can use to make extra money while in college, comment them down below so we can take a look at them too, as I'm sure there are many more that I didn't include or even think about. Now, as always, I hope this video was good and I was able to provide some value to you guys. And if you'd like to see more videos just like this one, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see new videos that I post, and I post videos here on YouTube every single day. If you've made it to the end of this video, comment your thoughts down below and any questions you may have or anything that you may want to add to this video. Be sure to also drop a like on this video as it really helps with the channel and I'll really appreciate it, guys. Now, if you're a new viewer or subscriber here on this channel, be sure to check out some of my other videos on high-yield savings accounts, checking accounts, investments, credit cards, and of course, more ways that you can use and make money. Also, guys, be sure to check out the links down below for all kinds of free stuff and offers, which will include WEBULL, which is a free investment app or platform where you'll receive 2 free stocks when you deposit just $100 in your investment account. And these 2 free stocks can be anything worth over $1,000. So be sure to check that out. And when you get your free stocks, if you like them, you keep them. If not, then you sell them and keep the cash, or you just use it to buy other stocks that you would prefer to invest in. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.